Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are exploring a place in Bangladesh, Sylhet city, named Bulagonj. We'll be here within 2 hours. Me and one of my friends, we are going. We'll be traveling by bus, and I will show you how we get to this place. Currently, I'm walking towards the point where me and my friend we will meet, and we'll be going to take the bus to get this place. I'm alone actually now, and people are staring at me. This doesn't matter for me actually, and I'm doing this to get rid out of this shyness. And I want to record myself publicly. People are staring at me, but I don't care. Who cares, bro? The fun thing is that when you overcome this shyness to speak in public, record yourself in public, it will be so much fun, bro. Literally so much fun. People are staring at me. They maybe 60% or 70% of them don't know what I'm saying, but they are just looking at me. That's actual fun. That's actual fun. Really, believe me. Believe it or not, that's the truth actually. It's total fun. The sky is cloudy. I don't know if it's become sunny or not, but it will be a good day inshallah. We plan to meet up in 8:45 at Tilagar Point, and now it's 8:41. It's 8:41 actually. So inshallah I will be in time, and I hope he will be in time also. Let's see who be on time actually. It's 8:45 now, and I just arrived at Tilagar Point, and I hope you will be there very soon. Let's see what happens. Who gets first? Yes, I'm seeing him. He is already there. So we arrived at the bus station, and now we are gonna get into the bus. Here is the ticket counter, and here is the double-decker bus for going to Bulagonj, Sada Pathor. And we have 2 seats in second floor. I'm going to get into the bus. Too narrow passage. Alhamdulillah, we just arrived at the place, and now we have 2 options to go. We can take boat, and we can go by walking. So we choose to walk, and I just can't describe the view what I'm seeing now. have taken a break for getting some dry food, and here's the shop, and he's the shopkeeper. Say hi, bro. He is shy man. Okay, Allah Hafiz, guys. The mountain is in front of me, and I am walking through this river. Just amazing view, just an amazing view, just an amazing view. Whoa, whoa, sandy, 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 sandy.